Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the PCV valve on this 2023 F150 3.5 Ecoboost. I think it's important maintenance to replace these about every 30,000 miles because I think long term you're going to help cut down on the chance for oil leaks to develop, especially on a boosted engine like this. So the part number we're using today is Ford Motorcraft KR3Z-6A666-A, and it's only about $8. So follow along as we get going and show you how to replace this. Now the first step is get back in here, use your 10mm socket, and we'll remove this engine cover. You just push on this little blue tab, pull this tab back, and it'll pop right off. Now this is, it just pushes in and locks. So I'm going to grab some pliers here and twist and pull the old one out. Okay, still sounds good, probably is still good. But hey, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of overdoing it on the maintenance, right? So we'll take the new one, place it in. It locks in. Take this hose, snap it back on. We'll replace the engine cover and we're all done. So again, I recommend doing this about every 30,000 miles. It's cheap and easy maintenance. Thanks for watching. Take care.